We have the results for May 2021 in our 8 portfolios. Let's go over the portfolio calculator results. We also include the first trading day of June in this setup. And so we're looking at the All 78 Strategy portfolio released, the latest version released in November 24th. You can see the out of sample results, up 148 on the year, up 38K in May, down 1,800 on the first trading day of June. Let's go over the second portfolio out of 8. All Strategy Access Shortlist 51, and we are up 17,460 in May, down 242.50 in June on the first trading day. It's currently in a 42.32 drawdown, and up 49K on the year. The 51 All Strategy Access 51 plus 7 new, up 17,932 in May, minus 1787.50 first trading day of June, up 90K on the year. And the stock index portfolio 27, it is up 86.75 in May, minus 362.50 in June, up 55K on the year, currently in a $5,800 drawdown. And the 200K portfolio, take a look at this, up 58.05 in May, 1032.50 first trading day in June, and in a 25.10 drawdown. Let's look at the 50K portfolio. We just had a webinar on the 50K portfolio, up 1907.50 in May, minus 355 in June. The last several Junes in July have been have done very well. June through August, really June through September did really well last year. October, and so very consistent in June, very consistent. It's never had a losing July in this setup, and so trying to get in on this. This is a good time. Same thing with the 200K portfolio. 200K portfolio is in a 25.10 drawdown, and it is had a very strong June and never had a losing July. Very strong August since 2015, and so good seasonal time period if you want to start a portfolio. Timing a portfolio and getting in on a drawdown is one of the best ways to do it. And the micro stock index portfolio, this is the aggressive version, ended in a 1623.50 drawdown, 1570 on May, minus 284.75 first trading day of June. And the micro stock index and micro gold takes 10% of the results in from the E-minis and regular gold contracts. Same thing in the conservative version, so there can be slight differences because the trade signals can sometimes be different. Sometimes a trade can do better on the micros based on a 1 tick or 2 or 3 ticks difference, hitting a profit target or stop loss where the other one did not. And you see the conservative version ended the month in a 278 drawdown, 145.75 on the first trading day of June, 379.75. And we did have some differences. The real-time trades and the micros were slightly different, and so it was down a little bit on the month in real trading because some of those signals in the minis were slightly different than the signals in the micros. So up 4,700 on the year for the conservative portfolio. The conservative portfolio was released April the 7th. And we did this to have less NASDAQ strategies. And these are basically all of the E-mini S&P, E-mini NASDAQ, and gold strategies from the 200K portfolio. And we don't have, there's not any 1/10 micro contracts for the other markets in the 200K portfolio. We would trade those as well. And crude oil is being added in July. They're adding micro crude oil contracts on the CME, NYMEX, and so it'll be interesting to see how those start trading. And when the liquidity is right, it's possible that those could be added to the micro stock index and gold portfolio. So those are the trading strategy setups, trading portfolio system setups. and results for the month of May and the first trading day of June updated. They can download the portfolio calculator as well and see all the latest results. I'll show you where you can do that. Go to capstoneTradingSystems.com, click on calculator, and the portfolio calculator has been updated through June 1st, 2021. You click this link, you download the Excel spreadsheet here. I recommend that you do a save as and save it on your hard drive, and then it should be a little bit more efficient if you have the save as version on your computer. So that's the update. Those are the latest results for May 2021.